Yes, and we are going to study half sphere, and we can see what we can do with half sphere. Okay, so what we can do with half sphere is like this one. It is half sphere, and we can turn it into a bowl of noodles, or the half sphere can be a half of a lemon or orange, or a basket, a round basket, see, or a lampshade like this. So let's learn what we can do with this half sphere. Okay, so move this and we go to our worksheet number 9. Worksheet number 9 is this. Now for the worksheet, you can download, okay, see the link below, and you can download this and have your own practice. Okay, so here let's look at our guideline. Okay, again, guideline here. Remember the circle that what do we need? Perfect square, right? Perfect square. And inside the perfect square, we will put the ellipse guideline here on the center. Okay, so we make square, perfect square, and then we put the ellipse here. This is where we put the ellipse here. Okay, so you can decide whether you want to go up here or you want to go down here. Okay, this is where so that's half of the sphere. This is the whole sphere, and this is half of the sphere. That's why it's called half sphere. Okay, so we're ready. Again, we'll start with a cross. The cross in life. Without a cross in the life, nothing will turn good. So remember, it's the cross that saves us. Okay, to remind us that there is something important than life. Okay, and that would be the cross. Okay, so let's start now. So we'll make our square. Let's see if we can do so. Again, you can use the magic of your finger tip and the tip of the pencil to measure. Okay, to measure. And if your eyes is already trained to do estimate, then you can just, and of course we add, what can we add now? We can add the ellipse guide. Okay, and we put that way, put that there, and we have the half of the circle. If it's flat, it's called circle or round. But then if it's a 3 dimension, it's called sphere. So we have like this. There. Okay. So let's try once more. We have the cross. Very important part of life. Cross. Okay. The cross can save you a lot of trouble. Believe me. Yes. Okay, so we have this. And again, we can either put it this way horizontal, or we can put it vertical. we'll try vertical later here, like this, okay. So we have, and again the C on the ellipse, and we do like this, okay. And then get your here, like that. So just that half sphere. Let's try again for the, so we go straight, okay. It's here now where you decide how big the square is, and estimate distance, estimate. You can practice that. Let's try doing this, okay. You at the, so oops. Okay, now let's try again. Once you have there, and we do this, okay. So once you decide, now why I'm doing that very light is because if I'm gone wrong, then I can erase easily, okay. And now here's the tip. Now if you don't use H pencil, okay, let's say you're using very, and then you always write this way, now it's hard to erase it, very hard to erase it, takes time, and it doesn't go, and that messes your drawing. But if you use the light, then you just remove, and voila, there's no more. Okay, let's go back to our sphere, and it will go this way. You can turn the paper, you can turn the paper. My pencil is tired. Why my pencil is tired? Okay. So then you can, whatever you want to do inside, okay. And let's clean. So we only want that one. Okay. Then we can submit to the teacher. Teacher wants the drawing to be clean. Okay. So we can now, once we master this one, we can draw any, okay, because you already have the form of a semisphere. And do you know what's next after this? It's the test paper. So we'll apply, okay. Let's apply. Okay, so here and here and here. So I want to check if my, how big would be from here. So it would be from here, and it would be from here. So from here I will boom here, and I will draw my line here. It's a guideline, okay. Okay, and of course the top. If you want to go up here, then that's the time you put the line. But if you're not going there, then it's fine if you do only half. And then so we, now note that the wider your ellipse, it will, then the wider the thing will look like, okay, this face. So I'll go a little wider, because I want to show you something. Okay, now, and of course this will go this way, and I want you to guess what we're going to be making. So that one, and letter C again, letter C, letter C, letter C, and go this way. Okay, so do this. Yes. Okay, so I have already my form of semicircle. So what I do is darken my line. To guess what would this be. Darken my line and darken my line there. Okay, I can shade. Okay, let me shade. Shade so it look like tree. Okay, and it's color, and then there's what do I say? More darker shades in that. Okay, so can you guess what's this? This dark part of it, and there's light there, and can you guess what this? And this one's a little bit darker, and like that. Can you guess what's this? Okay, and there are seeds there. No, it's not an orange. It's a watermelon. So here's the half circle. Oops! Don't forget to clean. Clean. Okay. Clean. Okay. And so we have our semi circle or half sphere. By using this worksheet, then we can learn how to do half sphere, and we can create any from this sphere. Okay, so I hope I have left you another skill. This is the half sphere skill, so you can draw. Remember, everybody can draw. Okay, so I leave this now for you to practice. Get your pencils and papers and practice. And for now, I say bye-bye.